stretching over 1,200 miles. A vast dry inhabitants, seemingly barren, a void of any life. The one and only true desert in southern Africa. Namib, inheriting its name from its locality, meaning, vast land. But don't be fooled so quickly. There are assortments of various forms of life, all across these sandy heated dunes. The palmeto gecko, found only on the coastal region of Namibia. This lizard is extremely quick and fine-tuned to this environment. Native to the Namib, the sidewinder or peringuey adder is an ambush hunter, burying itself just beneath the sand, with its eyes and tip of the tongue above the surface. It lies in wait for a helpless victim, and delivers a venomous bite. As it winds its way across the fiery sand on its belly. At speeds of up to 18 miles per hour. Covering an impressive amount of ground rather quickly. The horned adder is a venomous viper species. It is found in the arid region of southwest Africa, in Angola, Botswana, Namibia, South Africa, and Zimbabwe. It is easily distinguished by the presence of a single, large horn-like scale over each eye. Once considered a single species, the oryx is actually 4 distinct subspecies, with the gemsbok native to Namibia. There are over 300,000 roaming the desert. Majestic and spiritually connected to the wild, the oryx is a mysterious animal. Of course, you can't visit the desert without a glimpse of a cat. A cheetah that is, making its home comfortably in the Namib.